Something shifts as you get older. You become a little less interested in crowds, noise, and just the chaos of everyday life. I find myself more drawn to places like this. Peaceful, quiet, just allows me to be me. And in my younger years, I was always driven, needed to do better, get a better job, make more money. I was distracted. Guess I felt like I needed to prove something. Being out in nature wasn't a priority in my younger years. All right, let's go. Now it feels different. The quiet is important. Space becomes important. It gives me time to think and just time to be. I just have less tolerance for noise, chaos. My brain wants calm, less stimulation. My life experiences have brought me to this place where I just need peace. Hang on. Just realized, whoa, just about went down on the ice. Just realized as I'm walking along here, I haven't introduced myself. My name is Chris. You're watching Season Journey. And if you like this kind of content, where I'm just gonna think of a topic and just go while I'm out hiking or doing whatever, well, give it a like, give it a share, and hey, subscribe to the channel. I'll bring you a whole bunch more of these. It's really hard for me to explain what is going on in my head right now. It's not an excitement, it's more of a calm clarity. I'm not trying to escape something. It's more of coming back to this. This is where I need to be. Not everyone notices this shift, but when you do, it really sticks.